Alright, in this video we are going to be writing quadratic functions that are into standard form. In other words, we are going to take a x-intercept form and we're going to convert it into standard form, which is, if you remember, something like that. Intercept form, and we're going to convert it to standard form, and then we are going to do two examples where we convert vertex form, which is that, and we're going to convert it to standard form. Alright. So the first example is we're in x-intercept form or intercept form. Alright. So what we're going to do is, the first step is you FOIL first. In other words, we're going to multiply this out. Once you do that, then we're going to distribute. So we're going to take the 1/2 and we'll multiply it through. And after that, we'll combine all like terms, and it should be in that form. Right? So here we go. We have 1/2. Put parentheses because we still got to multiply 1/2 through. Then we're going to do x times x, which is x squared. Then x times -4 is -4x. And -6 times x is -6x. And then -6 times -4 is +24. Then we're going to take 1/2. So we did the FOIL. Now we're going to take 1/2 and we're going to distribute that through. So 1/2 times that is 1/2 x squared. 1/2 times -4, which is -2x. Then we do 1/2 times -6, so -6 times 1/2 is a -3x. And then 1/2 times 24, so that is 12. So in other words, when I'm multiplying by 1/2, you're really dividing by 2, if you haven't caught on. Alright, and then now we did distribute, now we're combining like terms. So we have 1/2 x squared, there's just no other terms with x squared. These two are like terms, so I got -2 and -3, so that gives me -5x plus 12. So ax squared plus bx plus c. So here a is 1/2, b is -5, and c is 12. But here is the standard form. That's what we want. So we took something that was in one form and we can convert it to standard form, because then that helps us with other information. All right, let's do another example. Okay, first step is FOIL. So we keep the -3 or whatever a is, put parentheses, and now we distribute. X times x is x squared. X times -5 is -5x. 1 times x is x, and 1 times -5 is -5. Now we distribute, so I get -3x squared plus 15x minus 3x plus 15. Alright, and then we combine like terms, which usually will be the two middle ones. So positive 15 and -3, so that gives me a positive 12x. And then plus 15. And there I go, standard form. So we went from intercept to standard. Alright, the next example, you notice this is vertex form. Alright? So there's actually, there might be like a pre-step before we do FOIL. Is the first thing I like to do is write out what does that mean. If I have, for example, if I had x squared, that's the same thing in standard form, would be x times x. So that goes to say that I have x minus 7 times x minus 7. And we got the plus 2. Alright, so this is like the precept. In other words, rewrite it out like that. Now we keep that. FOIL, so x times x is x squared minus 7x minus 7x plus 49, parentheses, and then add the 2 at the end. Now we distribute, So negative 4x squared, positive 28x, positive 28x, and 49 times 4. And I'm using a calculator. 49 times 4 is 196, negative 196. And then I got the plus 2 at the end. I do not multiply negative 4 times 2 because there's a plus there, so I can't multiply. Now we combine like terms. There's only one of those, so we keep that. These two are like terms because they both have x's, so 28 plus 28 is 56. Then we got negative 196 and a positive 2, so that gives me 194. And there I have standard form. So I went from vertex to standard. Let's do one more example. Again, this is in vertex form. So we're going to convert it to standard form. So I rewrite it. In other words, what's in the parentheses I write down twice. Keep everything else the same. Now I distribute. So x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 2 is 4, put the minus 3 at the end. Distribute 1/2 x squared, 1/2 times 2, which is just x, 1/2 times 2, which is just x, 1/2 times 4 is 2, then put on the minus 3. And the last step is combine like terms. So the first term we keep the same. There's no other x squared. These two are like terms, so there's 2 of them. And these are like terms. So positive 2 and negative 3 is a negative 1. And here I go, I got standard form.